What to do if you want to be a millionaire, unlocking high-ticket clients and skyrocketing your business. Welcome back, entrepreneurs and aspiring millionaires. In today's video, we are going to dive into a topic that many of you have been eager to explore: what to do if you want to be a millionaire. If you are a coach, consultant, trainer, service provider, or someone selling luxury products, this video is tailored specifically for you. I'm Murtuza, and I'm here to share powerful insights on how you can unlock high-ticket clients and skyrocket your business. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the strategies that will set you on the path to becoming a millionaire, let's first understand the importance of targeting high-ticket clients. Selling high-priced products and services is key to achieving your financial goals. Why waste your time and resources chasing after small-ticket sales? Instead, let's focus on attracting those valuable high-ticket clients. The power of high-ticket clients. So, what makes high-ticket clients so powerful? Well, it's simple. They bring in significant revenue with just a few transactions. By focusing on high-ticket sales, you can generate more income while serving a smaller, more exclusive clientele. But how do you attract these high-ticket clients? That's where our strategies come into play. Leveraging YouTube advertising. One of the most effective ways to reach your target audience and attract high-ticket clients is through YouTube advertising. YouTube is a goldmine for potential leads, with billions of active users consuming video content daily. By leveraging YouTube's powerful advertising platform, you can position your brand in front of the right people at the right time. Crafting engaging YouTube ads. When it comes to creating compelling YouTube ads, remember to grab your viewer attention within the first few seconds. Use captivating visuals, engaging storytelling, and a clear call to action to drive viewer to take the next step. Remember, quality content that showcases the value of your services is key to attracting high-ticket clients. Targeting your ideal audience. To maximize the effectiveness of your YouTube ads, it's crucial to target your ideal audience. Use YouTube's robust targeting options to narrow down your reach based on demographics, interests, and even specific videos or channels. By honing in on your niche audience, you increase the chances of attracting high-ticket clients who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. Building trust and authority. Now that you're driving traffic to your offers, it's essential to build trust and establish yourself as an authority in your industry. High-ticket clients want to work with experts they can trust and rely on. Here are a few strategies to help you achieve that. Content marketing and thought leadership. Position yourself as a thought leader in your niche by creating valuable content. Blog posts, videos, and podcasts that offer insights, tips, and industry knowledge will help establish your expertise. Share this content across your social media channels to expand your reach and attract high-ticket clients who see the value you provide. Client testimonials and success stories. Nothing builds trust faster than real-life success stories. Encourage your satisfied clients to provide testimonials and share their positive experiences. Highlight these testimonials on your website, social media platforms, and within your YouTube videos. This social proof will inspire confidence in potential high-ticket clients. The power of funnels. Lastly, let's talk about sales funnels and their role in turning leads into high-ticket clients. Sales funnels are a series of strategic steps that guide your prospects towards making a purchase. By implementing a well-crafted funnel, you can nurture your leads, address their objections, and ultimately close high-ticket sales. Crafting a high-converting funnel. A successful funnel begins with a compelling lead magnet, an irresistible offer that entices your audience to provide their contact information. Once you have their details, you can deliver targeted content through email sequences, webinars, or exclusive resources. Each step of the funnel should move your prospects closer to becoming high-ticket clients. Nurturing leads and overcoming objections. High-ticket sales often involve longer sales cycles, as clients weigh the benefits and potential risks. Use your funnel to nurture leads by addressing their objections and providing additional value. Personalized communication, case studies, and FAQ sections can help overcome objections and instill confidence in your prospects. Congratulations! You now have a roadmap to attract high-ticket clients and take your business to the millionaire level. Remember, it all starts with targeting the right audience, leveraging YouTube advertising, building trust, and implementing an effective sales funnel. So, take action, stay persistent, and watch your business flourish. I believe in your potential for greatness. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with other ambitious entrepreneurs. Until next time, this is Murtuza signing off.
Discover a unique 5-step system named COM5 method that I am using to sell high-ticket coaching, training, and services using the power of artificial intelligence, one simple funnel, and social media paid ads. Go to my website compifymethod.com and sign up to watch your free video training. You will find the link to the website compifymethod.com somewhere on this video and the description section right below. If you have liked this video, make sure to hit the like button. Smash the like button right now before you go. While you are here, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. If you do this, you will get notification when I release a new video on YouTube. On my YouTube channel, I am focusing in teaching you how to sell high ticket, high margin coaching, training, services and luxury products. I will share with you my marketing tests that I am doing to attract paid and organic traffic and how I attract high quality leads using YouTube and social media channels. Therefore, make sure to subscribe right now or you will miss all this valuable information and training. Comment and let me know one big idea that you have learned from this video. Also, let me know if you want me to create a video based on any questions you have relating to your business. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family on social media and other channels. This motivates me to create new valuable content on regular basis. Thanks for watching this video and wish you all the very best and success, and see you in my next video.